Alright, welcome back. In the last two videos, we're trying to achieve project 1, and we're successful in giving the project, the senior managers, 3 scripts. The first script, what will this script do? This will bring the incorrect, as you can see from the heading here, incorrect. With this script, they can get the incorrect entry. That is the validation. With the next script, they will be able to get clearly the correct entries. And finally, with another script, they should be able to get the correct and incorrect entries. They can use it any way they wish to use it. Let me make it big in case you're not seeing it. So this is it. This is the first one. We were able to get the incorrect entries to validate and check what has been imputed into the leave request. If there's any particular entry, a staff or those in charge have done something wrong or right, we'll be able to detect that. And that's exactly what this first part has done. This is incorrect. Going down to the next one, you can see this is now getting the correct entries only. That's these data here are correct. So this script can be used countless times, thousands, million times. It will still work without the need of bothering about formulas. So finally, we have a third script below. Yes, let's see. Going up now. Let's go up slow and steady. Let's go slow and steady. So I'm moving up slow and steady. So this one is the correct and incorrect. Just going to make it clearer. Correct and incorrect. This is the data. This is the script. Below here is the data. Alright, sample data. Moving upwards, this bit here, just passed it, sorry. This bit here, this one here. Oh my, so fast. Yep, I'm gonna come towards this angle. Yep. This bit here is the correct script, and this is all it here. Then finally the above shows us the incorrect, which is only 1. So what have we done? If you remember, this is the project aim, and we have just successfully provided now finally this bit. I'm going to color it green. I know I want this to color it green. So I'm going to color it green, make it bold, and we have successfully achieved this one. So how did we do it? We went into this data. We're given 1, 2, 3 data, and let me color it out. Let me kind of make it better for us to see. We're given, bear with me, alright. We're given this data, which I did call it T1 if you remember, but the script I used, I called it E for employee table. And we had also T2, which I called it in the beginning, and finally we called it leave LR, leave request table. So our report now made sure that there's transparency, and this particular one will not be used. That takes this out of what we need to do, and it has provided us, the managers, to provide a clear validation for this validation we've done, and this is project M1. Alright, and what was the data we used and how did we do it? Let me show you all once more. As you can see, the data we used was this employee table and leave request table. We didn't use the leave approval because ours now will be used instead of leave approvals. Then the step we used was this. You remember, E SQL applied set theory, E SQL applied statistics, ESQL applied and conditional logic behind the scene, ESQL aggregated based on the teams, and finally made clear comparison of the data. The set theory, you remember, ASQL applied, and I explained this visual representation of the application of the script. So this bit wraps up short and simple how we were able to achieve the result and how we were able to give the managers the script. Going to activity, how we're able to provide this script to the managers, and finally achieved the report that they want as project step 1. So thank you all. This is going to wrap up this project 1. I will now start project 2, project aim 2 on a new video. So I hope I was slow. If I wasn't slow, if there's any part I was too fast, please put a comment down and I'm happy to explain it better and clearer. Thank you very much.